Are you ready to cleanse your space and unlock the flow of abundance that might be waiting just beyond the clutter? In this video, we're diving into a powerful truth. There are certain objects hiding in plain sight in your home that may be quietly attracting poverty, stagnation, and emotional weight. If you've ever felt like you're stuck in a loop, repeating the same routines, struggling to manifest your dreams, or sensing a strange heaviness in your space, there's a high chance that these subtle blockages are the root cause. What I'm about to share might seem simple on the surface, but these 5 key changes have the power to transform your entire energy field and, by extension, your life. Before we go deeper, take a moment to ground yourself. Close your eyes and breathe in. Now breathe out. Set the intention to remain open, to receive, to shift, to let go. You are not here by accident. The universe guided you here for a reason. If you're truly open to receiving blessings, abundance, and clarity, this moment is yours. You don't need to do anything but listen with your heart. Let's begin with the very first energetic anchor many of us unknowingly hold on to: clothes you no longer wear. These may seem harmless, but every garment carries the energy of the time it was worn. Think about it. When you bought that jacket, those jeans, or that dress, you were in a certain place in your life. Maybe you were struggling, heartbroken, uncertain, or maybe you were just a different version of you, one that no longer aligns with who you're becoming. Clothes absorb that energy, and when they sit in your closet unused, they don't just take up space, they radiate outdated frequencies that can block your present and future. It's time to let them go. But don't just toss them aside. Hold each item and thank it. Yes, really. Express gratitude. Thank you for walking this part of the journey with me. I now release you with love. Donate what you can, discard what's no longer wearable, and make space, literally and energetically, for the new version of yourself to step in. Next, let's talk about broken objects. This includes chipped mugs, cracked mirrors, damaged decor, or anything you've been meaning to fix but haven't. Your home is more than just shelter. It's your sacred space. When you keep broken items around, even if they seem minor, you're anchoring broken energy in your field. You're subconsciously reinforcing the idea that you are tolerating what is fractured rather than choosing what is whole. And when you glue something back together and keep it around, you're not repairing the energy. It remains fractured. It's like trying to drink from a cracked glass. It never holds the fullness of what you deserve. Let those objects go. Thank them for the service they provided, for the beauty they once held, and lovingly release them. Every item you discard with intention creates space for the miraculous. Now consider the condition of your shoes. It might seem trivial, but it's not. Your shoes are what carry you through life. They hold the energy of every step you take, every place you've been, every emotion you've carried, and every path you've walked. Keeping shoes that are dirty or worn down is like clinging to tired, outdated directions. If your shoes are falling apart or filthy, they mirror the idea that you're still treading paths that no longer serve you. Honor your journey by keeping your footwear clean, polished, and in good condition. And if it's time to part ways with a pair that's reached the end of its purpose, don't hesitate. Let go and thank them for the miles they've carried you through. Doing this simple act of mindfulness begins to shift how the universe supports your path forward. These changes may sound small, but energetically, they are profound. You are constantly exchanging energy with everything in your environment. So when you surround yourself with things that carry high vibration, items you love, use, and honor, you begin to align your outer world with the abundance you wish to call into your inner world. And that's where the magic begins. Take a moment after this video to walk through your space with new eyes. Ask yourself, does this item uplift me or hold me back? Trust your instincts. Trust that your environment wants to support you in every way, but it needs your help to make space for what's next. And remember, the universe responds to what you are willing to release. Let go with gratitude and watch how quickly abundance rushes in to fill the space. You are not meant to live in lack or limitation. You are meant to thrive in a space that mirrors your growth, your beauty, and your light. So let it begin. Do you truly want a broken path guiding your life? I imagine not. Think about the shoes that carry you through each day. They support your entire body, absorb energy from the places you've walked, and often go unnoticed. Yet they hold immense symbolic and energetic value. Keeping old, torn, or dirty shoes is like holding on to broken direction and tired steps. Replace them when they've served their purpose. Treat them with respect, keep them clean, and recognize the energy they carry. Let every step you take be rooted in clarity and intention, not weighed down by worn-out soles. When your shoes are in good condition, you affirm that you are ready for a new path, one of progress, strength, and forward motion. Now let's talk about something that may be far more emotional: objects and clothing that once belonged to people who are no longer with us. It's natural to want to hold on to physical memories, but we must understand that energy lingers. When someone leaves this physical plane, their belongings hold a frequency that can trap us in a past that no longer serves us. You may believe you're honoring them, but what you may actually be doing is anchoring your energy in grief and stagnation. Love and memory live in your heart and your spirit, not in dusty old garments or trinkets. Letting go doesn't mean forgetting. It means freeing them and yourself to continue the journey. Let the memory breathe within you, while their physical belongings are released with love and gratitude. By doing so, you're not only allowing their spirit to move forward, you're liberating your own path. And here comes one of the biggest silent energy blockers: clutter. Clutter isn't just a pile of things you don't use. It's stored emotion, unprocessed energy, and chaos manifesting in physical form. When your home is disorganized, it sends the message to your subconscious mind that your life is also scattered. The solution: begin to simplify. Open your windows. Let the sunlight in. Let fresh air cleanse the space and reset the atmosphere. Arrange your belongings in a way that sparks joy and flow. Bring in plants, life in its most vibrant form, and feel how their presence brings a gentle peace to your space. Make your bed every morning with intention, with gratitude. Thank it for the rest it gave you and the new day it welcomes. Understand this: it's not about wealth or luxury. It's about vibration. Energy doesn't respond to extravagance. It responds to alignment, love, care, and consciousness. You are creating a sacred space, a living, breathing extension of your inner world. And when your home vibrates with intention and clarity, miracles begin to unfold naturally. Once you begin applying these 5 powerful steps: letting go of unused clothing, releasing broken objects, parting with things tied to the past, maintaining clean footwear, and eliminating clutter, you'll feel the shift almost immediately. Your energy will lighten. The air will feel clearer. Life will begin to move. Stagnant situations will find resolution. New opportunities will begin to whisper your name. You don't have to take anyone's word for it. Just try it and see. As one of my greatest metaphysical teachers once told me, if you want your present to be extraordinary, your past must be released. The life you want isn't waiting for you somewhere out there. It's waiting inside your own home, just behind the things you're still holding on to. So today, take that first step. Start small if you must, but do it with intention. Walk through your space and ask yourself, does this lift me or weigh me down? And then act accordingly. Say thank you and let go. The universe is always listening, and when it sees you clearing the path, it rushes in to fill that space with the blessings you've been asking for. Your home is not just a shelter, it's your sanctuary. And by bringing harmony into it, you're setting the foundation for your life to blossom in ways you've only imagined. Let this be your turning point. Let this be the day you honor your space, your energy, and your future. Trust the process, embrace the shift, and allow the flow of life to carry you forward into the beautiful reality you deserve. If this message resonated with you, leave a comment below. Give this video a like and subscribe to the channel so we can continue this journey together. Until next time, may your heart be light, your home harmonious, and your path clear. Thank you for watching, and may blessings follow you wherever you go.